Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am using these new markers that I got. It's 5 graduated blue alcohol-based markers. It's by Tomboy. It's ABT Pro Blue Tones. So there's 5 of them, and I am just gonna do this light switch cover, and I'm doing from the lightest on one end to the darkest in the middle, and then going back to the lightest. And then I am going to use some 91% alcohol to move the color around a little bit, so this shouldn't be too hard. I'm just wanting to see if I can do kind of a graduated effect. So let's just play with it and see how it goes. You guys could really help out my channel if you could hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. That would help me so much. And I wanted to tell you guys that this is, I guess, part 2 of the light switch covers. This is just going to be one. So I did the first 3 in the first part 1. I have to do 13 of these for a commission. And they're just going to be varying colors, varying styles. It's a lot of fun. So who knows where this journey is going to lead us. So I was going to tell you guys that I got these markers at Michael's when I was there to pick up paint that they had on 50% off, and just looking around, and I saw that they had these markers also 50% off. So that it comes in sets of 5, and I got the blue and the gray. They're really kind of pricey, but they're nice ink. So try to catch them on sale so you can buy more art supplies. If you get everything for 50% off, you can have twice as much art supplies. How cool is that? Okay, so now I have my ink down. I'm going to grab this little bottle of alcohol. It has the metal tip, and it makes it really easy to just drop a little bit of alcohol where you want it. So I'm just dropping a little bit, and now I'm using this Ranger air blowing tool. It's made for alcohol inks, and I love it. It is definitely worth the price. So I highly recommend it. I didn't know if I wanted it at first. I was like, nah, I don't need that. But I don't feel comfortable blowing with my mouth or a straw with alcohol because I don't want to breathe it. And an airbrush, you have to have it plugged in, and you have to be at the right angle. And this is just much more freeing. So I do highly recommend it. All right, so we're pretty much wrapping it up. So let's see how it turned out. All right, here are the dried results. I think it's really pretty. I like how there's still a little bit of lines left in it. And you definitely notice the graduated color. The movement with the alcohol loosens it up so it's not quite so stiff as if it's just the graduated color. It was fun. I like this experiment. I think it turned out good. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.